Hello, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create a resume for a job on Canva. The first thing you want to do after creating your Canva account, you're going to tap on the search bar at the top of the page and you're going to type in resume. Once you have done that, you can see that we are provided with over 13,000 different resume templates that we can choose from. The reason why I recommend that you use one of the Canva templates to create your resume is creating a resume can be a tedious task as you want it to look professional and you also want it to ensure that it has in all of the necessary information so that you may get your desired outcome and more than likely get the job or the position that you're looking for. So with Canva templates, as you can see right here, if we were to just give it a quick glaze, you can see that it normally has all of the different categories and so on that you will need to fill in to create a professional looking resume or CV. So let's say for example's sake, I were to select this template. After selecting the template, you're going to tap on customize this template and you will be redirected to a new page. The first thing I normally do once I'm on the editor page is pull along the slider in the bottom right hand corner, as this will zoom in on the page, making it easier to edit. Once on this page, you can tap right where you see profile, and then from there you could fill in your profile information. By the way, if you'd like further help with your resume, with articulating how your resume looks and so on, a good platform to do that on would be ChatGPT. So you could type in the different qualifications that you have and so on and experience, and ChatGPT will give you a breakdown that you can then copy and paste in Canva. So you can see the layout right here. You could basically replace it by adding in your contact number, your email address right there, and also your address and so on, and your website. So you could replace all of these information with your information, add your skills right there, work experience, and also profile information and reference. So it is basically as easy as that. All you'll need to do is replace the information that is currently there. And let's say for example's sake, you would like to replace this email with your own. You could simply tap on the current email that is there. After you have done that and selected the email box, you could type in your email. And another thing that you can also do is to make your email link clickable. So to do this, you would select the email address that you have entered. Then you're going to tap on the link icon and you would paste in your email address right here. So for example's sake, let's say I were to type in test@gmail.com, then tap on enter. Then all you'll need to do now is tap on done. So once someone receives my CV and taps on the email, they'll automatically be redirected to their email provider and they'll be able to respond to me via email. You can also make any other link clickable. So for example, you could put in your website URL right here, and then if someone were to tap on that link, they'll be redirected to your website. The steps remain the same. Select the text, then all you'll need to do after you have selected the text, tap on the link icon, then paste in your link. And that's how to create a resume. You can also replace the image by selecting the current image that is there, then going over to the left hand menu option and selecting upload, and then upload files, and you could upload your image right there. Let's say for example's sake, I were to replace it with a copyright free image. So I'm going to be dragging and placing an image just for example's sake. So you can see it right there. So it is as easy as that. Once you're finished, all you'll need to do now is tap on share in the top right hand corner. Then you can tap on download. And if it is a case that you want the links to be clickable, you will need to download it in the PDF format. So you're going to select PDF and then tap on download. So we'll do that real quick. Once it has been downloaded, all you'll need to do now, you can tap on downloads from the top right hand corner and you can see our resume right here. So this is how it looks. And if they were to tap on the link, you can see right there, it automatically redirects them to their email provider, and from there, they'll be able to email us. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.